Before we get too far in this wild and crazy journey of making space, we want to make sure that we got a plan for all the different aspects of the project, one of which is wiring, because that could be a giant just pain in the neck.
Look, let me show you so this is the old engine wiring harness. Now, that thing is a behemoth.
Instead of spending forever today trying to back splice things out that you're not going to use, we went to Hotwire Auto, and these guys are awesome. We've been to them on a number of projects, man, and they make everything easy. Here's the new harness, plug and play. It's very OE, all the connectors, everything is shielded.
And the transmission unit, which they have, this is what's great. They flash that, so it already has a tune for you. So now the transmission and the engine are talking to each other. And here's what they did with the old body harness. All right, you've seen these before. They take and they strip everything away that you don't need. They put it on a big diet, right? And they'll add things like speedo, right? Or even, attack in this case.
Now we're gonna do a quick dry fit, just see how this thing is gonna lay out. But we'll strip it back off because we're gonna just do a whole bunch of wrestling and fighting, getting this thing in, out, cutting holes back in again and so forth.
This is pretty good, cuz. Looking pretty good.
Dude, it's laying in clean.
Yeah, I like it.
You can see how it lays in here.
Right?
I think most of it's all gonna be hidden.